Hi everybody, we are doing partial products for multiplication. We're going to do 64 times 8. So partial products just means that you're splitting bigger numbers up into parts and then you're multiplying the parts instead of doing the whole big number all at once. We're going to look at that number 64 and I want you to put it in expanded form in these boxes here. So the 6 is really a 60 and the 4 is a 4. So 60 plus 4 is 64. Since these are the same number, they're next to each other. They're not going to fight each other. They're on the same team, but they are each going to multiply against the 8 because the 8's on the other side here. So put the 8 at the bottom. And now we're ready to multiply. We are going to do 60 times 8, put it here, and then 4 times 8, put it here. So feel free to go ahead and pause the video, try that on your own, and then check, or you can follow along with me right now. For 60 times 8, anytime there's a 0, ignore it. It's great because now you can just do 6 times 8 and then just put the 0 back in. 6 times 8 is 48. And then we put that 0 back on. So then 60 times 8 is 480. So now we've done this. We just did 60 times 8, 480. Now we're going to do 4 times 8. 4 times 8 is 32. So that's what we did just there. And now we just add them together and then we'll be done. Starting on the right hand side, 0 plus 2, 8 plus 3 is 11, carry the 1, and 1 plus 4 is 5. And that's how we do partial products. If you want to try harder questions or you can see the rest of these videos, feel free to watch the rest of the playlist. And if you click on the link below, you can get all 6 of these worksheets. Thanks for watching. I hope this is helpful and have a great day.